For an entrepreneur, cash is king, yeah? And one of the things that I would say you really need to focus on, like I mentioned before, have a look at your income. So you've got your customer base, you've got a business that generates income. One of the things that's linked to your income is the management of your debtors, for example. So you can have thousands of customers and people who promise you the world that you're providing a service or a product to. And on paper you look great, but these people are actually not paying. So one of the things that I would say for an entrepreneur is focus on your debtors, focus on having a good debtors management system, which nowadays is incorporated into fantastic accounting software packages like Xero, for example, that literally send your customers automated reminders of invoices that are outstanding. So that just stems for you having a healthy cash flow. On the expenditure as well, I would say watch your expenditure. A lot of times entrepreneurs actually mix their personal expenses with their business expenses. I've seen a couple of companies where I've reviewed the bank statements and there's school fees and all kinds of things going through the business account. So it's very important to make sure you separate those two and understand the implications of running something like that through your business. You're not just affecting your business's cash flow, you're also creating a very distorted image of how your business is performing. So for an entrepreneur, I would say focus on your income, focus on your expenditure, make sure that your expenditure matches your budget, because when you start off, you have to have an idea of exactly what your profits are. How much money do I want to make? No business just operates without the intention of achieving some kind of objective, whether it's a social objective or a financial objective. So with that in mind, every time you have a startup or whenever you start up a business, you need to ensure that you're in line with the objectives of your business. So I would say watch your expenditure, watch your income, use smart tools. There's a lot of technology out there that actually helps you keep a pulse on things like that. So I would say income, expenditure, debtor management. Those three cash things are quite important for the entrepreneur, and that's what I would literally put my pulse on.